Noyan is a Mongol commander sent by the Mongol Empire to conquer Anatolia. He is intelligent, ruthless, and manipulative, often using psychological warfare. In addition to battle tactics, Noyan is a real historical figure, though the series adds fictional elements to his character. His role in Ertugrul Ghazi, Noyan appears as the main villain in Season 2. He leads attacks against the Oghuz tribes, especially targeting Ertugrul and the Kayı tribe. He causes chaos, betrayal, and tension between tribes by using spies and traitors. In several intense battles, he fights Ertugrul but is eventually defeated and presumed dead. Noyan returns in Season 4 with even more power and a dark, mysterious look. He becomes more fanatical and even starts following a dark, cult-like group. He tries to manipulate state politics and partners with traitors to destroy Ertugrul. In a dramatic showdown, Ertugrul kills Noyan, ending his reign of terror.